What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be putting on a MBRP exhaust system on the 2021 F-250. Figured to take a break from the Jeeps, do something a little bit different. Here's the kit. This is a full 4-inch single kit. This one's a stainless steel tip with just regular aluminized steel and a straight through muffler. So you can find this kit varying in price all over the internet. I got this one from Napa Performance. They had free shipping on it. It was the same price but had free shipping, and from other vendors online the shipping was almost $200, so it just made sense to go this route. So check it out. It's going to say it's for the 6.2 for the 2018 or 2017 to 2019 F-250s with the 6.2, but it's the exact same exhaust system. Same hangers, same pipe diameter, all that stuff. So, all right, I'm going to do a quick cold start. It's 91, 92 degrees right now. And you can kind of hear what it sounds like stock, and then we'll go ahead and remove the exhaust. All right, so we're underneath the truck. So the new system's gonna go from this clamp all the way back to the back of the truck, so you can see how large this factory muffler is. So you got kind of like a muffler, a resonator, a factory muffler, and then you have almost like another resonator back there. So, all right, well, I'm gonna remove this. There's really not much room under here to put the camera to try to get a good view, so I'll just check in, but it's pretty straightforward. All right, guys, so here it is. So it starts past this little muffler here. You got a hanger. All your hangers are in the factory locations. Went together pretty good. And see what it sounds like. Alright, so we're going to see what it sounds like with the windows up. I'm just driving it like I normally would. I mean, you can tell it's there, but it's not obnoxious. Now, once we get here on the main drag, I'll go ahead and do a wide open pass on it. About quarter throttle there. And then just coasting, can't really hear it.